Good morning, all. For this week's lab learning, I'm going to touch on something called dissolved oxygen, or DO as it's often referred. It is what it sounds like. It's oxygen in your finished product, in part of the process as you're filling, blending. It gets in through just kind of the general process. It's pretty hard to avoid. Opening pails of juice, blending powdered materials, these are all opportunities for exposure to open air, just as kind of part of the commercial production process. There are ways that you can mitigate the DO levels, and we'll touch on those in later videos. The point being, you want to have this conversation with your co-packer because excess DO levels can lead to oxidation of your product, meaning premature aging, can taste stale, just like the fruit on your counter will age over time. It's kind of the same principle. Another reason you want to control these levels is because, especially if you're doing a canned product, that DO can interact poorly with the can liner if the levels are too high. It could potentially lead to leaking issues. It's so important to can liners, in fact, that a lot of your can manufacturers have a specific DO threshold called out in their warranties. So again, something you want to talk about with your co-packer. BevSource is going to have some additional learnings coming out on dissolved oxygen, I think later this month, early June, so please keep an eye out for those. And if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to leave a comment and I will do my best to answer them or loop in folks from the team who can. Thanks.